Hello guys, welcome to our channel Om Lab. So guys, today in this video we will talk about dissecting microscope. So what is the use of a dissecting microscope? A dissecting microscope is a simple microscope which is used to observe a biological sample or specimen. But with the help of a dissecting microscope you can only achieve less magnification, but if you want higher magnification, so you need to use a compound or a student microscope. So for example, as you all know that in a flower there is a part ovary and ovary contains ovules. So if I'll see this particular part of a flower under a dissecting microscope, so I'll get very less magnification, which means that I'll not be able to see that part very clearly. But instead of a dissecting microscope, if I use a compound microscope, so I'll get high magnification and we'll be able to observe that ovary very clearly. The working of a dissecting microscope is very simple as it is known as a simple microscope. So today in this video I'll tell you about its working and how you can observe a biological sample with the help of a dissecting microscope. So guys, this is the box of the Om Labs dissecting microscope. This microscope is packed very nicely inside the box, and now let's open it. The dissecting microscope is put in a thermocol box, which makes it even more secure. So guys, this is how a dissecting microscope looks like. So first of all, we'll discuss about its parts and I'll tell you about the functions of its parts. So guys, here you can see two objects, out of which one is the 10x one and one is the 20x one. So these are known as the eyepiece. So these are the parts with which you will observe your specimen. The range of eyepiece of a dissecting microscope is 10x, 20x and maximum 40x, because dissecting microscope are used for less magnification. But if you want high magnification, so I told you before that you can use a compound microscope. And guys, this part on the dissecting microscope is known as the stage where you'll keep your specimen, and these two at the side are known as clips where you can fix your slide. So guys, these two parts at the bottom are known as the adjustment knobs. So these knobs are used to adjust the height of this part, and this part is known as the arm. So now as you can see that if I move the adjustment knob, so the arm is also moving. And this hole which you can see on the arm is used to fix the eyepiece which you have, the 10x and the 20x. And this part at the bottom is known as the mirror. So with the help of this mirror you reflect light onto your specimen. And this black base is known as the foot. So guys, these two parts are known as the handrest. So these handrests can be placed on the dissecting microscope, and these will make your work more easier and will give you a steady support while doing the experiment. So for example, if I'm observing a specimen, so this handrest would help a lot. It will give me a steady support and I'll have no problem in observing my specimen. And I'll be able to observe my biological sample with ease. So guys, I hope now that you must have understood the functions of all the parts in this dissecting microscope. And now I'll tell you the working of this microscope, that how do you observe a biological sample in this microscope. So guys, the first step is that you need to bring the adjustment knob to the maximum level. And then you need to keep the biological sample on the stage. So guys, for this experiment today I have brought the hibiscus flower as a biological sample. So what I have done is I have dissected its ovary, and as you all know that in the ovary are ovules. So today we'll be observing ovules under the microscope. So now I'll keep the dissected hibiscus flower, that means the ovary which we'll be observing today, on the stage. So now according to you, you can choose that what eyepiece lens do you want. Here we have 10x and 20x. So if you want less magnification, so 10x, and if you want high magnification, so 20x, and then you can fix it here on the arm. So guys, the arm on the dissecting microscope is movable and adjustable. So what you need to do is you need to bring that 20x eyepiece lens exactly above the specimen which you have on the stage. And now reflect the light with the help of the mirror on the specimen. And now, as you all know that only I can observe the specimen with my eyes and you can't. So what I'll do is I'll click some pictures and then I'll show it to you on the screen. So these images which you can see of the ovary are from a 10x eyepiece lens. So a 10x eyepiece lens means that it will magnify your normal vision 10 times and then will show you the specimen. And with the help of a 20x eyepiece lens, you will get 20x magnified image. So this is the image which I have taken with the help of a 20x eyepiece lens. So here, as you can see, the image is more magnified and you can see the specimen more clearly. And if the specimen which you are seeing with the dissecting microscope appears to be blurry, so you can adjust the focus with the help of the adjustment knob. So by moving the adjustment knob up and down, you can focus on the specimen. So guys, this was our video about Om Labs dissecting microscope. So in this video, we told you everything about this microscope, its working, its features, its parts. So guys, if you want to buy this product or have any inquiry related to this dissecting microscope, so you can contact us on the numbers given on the screen, and you can also email us at info@omlabs.in, and you can also visit our website www.omlabs.in. And guys, you can also buy this Om Labs dissecting microscope on a new website which is www.scientificart.com. And not only microscopes, but you can also get educational and scientific products on this website. And guys, you can also visit our Instagram account which is om_labs, and also our Facebook page Om Labs. Thank you.